Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Devarshi Mehta, and welcome to the very first episode of Daddy Goes on Forward podcast. Also, I would like to thank Indie Cruises for giving us an opportunity to organize this podcast, the very first podcast here. Now, please welcome my riding buddy and my friend, Mr. Subendra ji. Please welcome and have a seat.
हाय देवर्षि भाई, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. आप कैसे हो?
मैं बढ़िया हूँ। सो आज ऐसा स्पेशल क्या है, लाइक वी यूजुअली मीट, बट
Yeah.
आज ऐसा स्पेशल क्या है कि हमने इतना किया।
ये तामझाम करने के लिए क्या है चीज के आप स्पेशल हो और वी ओपन राइड टुगेदर।
या
तो मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स शेयर अवर एक्सपीरियंस विद द
या
हेल्प ऑफ पॉडकास्ट एंड होपफुली आवर व्यूअर्स विल एजुकेट themselves with your experiences.
या
All right. So shall we begin?
या श्योर, वी कैन बिगिन नाउ।
So okay, let's begin with the very first question. So when did riding stop being just an hobby and become a part of your life?
So the thing is, right, I started riding since I think 2012 or some years. So after completing my college, there was a transition period
Hmm.
between study phase to
Hmm.
working phase.
Hmm.
So after coming into corporate, I got to know that even after working from Monday to Saturday or
Okay,
Friday,
I understand.
the Sunday was the day which I was having for me.
Yeah.
So I just started exploring around like city
Nearby
places. Then I met you or
Okay.
other fellow riders.
Okay.
Then this just riding from I transitioned from just from hobby to a hardcore ride.
rider. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
So
great. I mean, that's very inspiring. Okay. Uh, the second question is, what's the first bike you ever owned?
so my first bike which I ever owned was the Passion Pro. It was a gift from my dad.
Oh, that would be special.
So from that I started like initially from with that bike I actually did my first 500-kilometer ride,
Amazing.
and
Amazing.
later on I moved to different bikes. Like I currently the bike which I own, it is my third bike.
Okay.
So that's how my riding journey started. It was a basic 100 cc bike, but yeah, like it
It has a lot of
yeah, it
emotion, I
has a
guess.
lot of emotions.
So you still keep it or you sold it out?
So due to some reasons, I have to sell
Say,
it.
otherwise you might have
Otherwise,
kept.
I would have kept it.
Okay, okay, that's great. Let's move on. Uh, was it your dream bike or simply the one you could afford? What's the first bike? I mean, what's your dream bike?
So if you see, my dream bike is anyways, every rider has a dream bike, that
Okay, okay.
BMW 1300 GS or
Amazing.
GSA.
Very
But
good
right
machine.
now,
Yeah.
right now I own Honda NX 500,
Oh,
which is one of the reliable machine
Hmm.
from Honda.
yeah, of course,
And
Honda is reliable. Yeah,
and
yeah.
at this time, the Honda is the one which I can afford.
Okay.
So I don't think I have made any wrong decision.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
I am happy with my bike.
Okay, okay. So I just would like to add some magic moment over here. So if someone offer you the same bike today, would you
Yeah,
ride it again?
yeah, definitely,
Okay,
definitely. It is one
okay.
of the great bike which I have.
All right, okay, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. All right, let's move ahead. Who was the biggest supporter when you started riding?
So actually, when I started riding, I think my mom was the one who motivated me. Like I just asked her, "Mummy, ये bike लेनी है, ले लूँ क्या?"
अच्छा.
हाँ, so
अच्छा.
she was like, "तुझे अगर पसंद है, तो तू ले ले। सोच मत, क्योंकि वो टाइम फिर से नहीं आएगा कि you could do these things again. Like over the period of time, you will have some responsibility.
Okay, okay.
So you
Yeah.
should start whatever.
At that age, you want to enjoy your life
Yeah,
full
yeah.
throttle. Okay,
So my
okay,
mom
okay.
supported me.
तो इससे ही कनेक्शन वाला दूसरा प्रश्न है
हाँ।
जो है कि हु कीप ऑन सेइंग बाइक बाइक बेच दे और बहुत हो गया।
सो अभी तक ऐसा कोई मिला नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे कुछ कलीग्स हैं जो मुझे हमेशा बोलते रहते हैं, क्या तू बाइक लेके घूमता रहता है।
ओके।
सो आई जस्ट से देम कि एक बार मेरे साथ राइड पे चलो, फिर तुमको भी पता चलेगा कि मैं बाइक लेके क्यों
नहीं
घूमता
मतलब
हूँ।
उनके भी पंख होंगे ये।
हाँ।
अच्छा ठीक है ओके ओके। ऐसा कुछ आपने डिसीजन लिया बाइक खरीद के टाइम में कि मतलब आपने बाइक खरीद लिया हो ठीक है
हाँ।
पर वो टर्न आउट अच्छा ना हुआ या तो रॉन्गली बाई कर दिया हो इमोशंस ज्यादा लेके या लुक एंड फील लेके या सीसी को लेके राइडिंग पैटर्न समझ बिना समझे आई मीन।
सो देखिए, मेरा जो मैं कोई भी अगर परचेज करता हूँ तो आई थरोली गो फॉर डीप रिसर्च फॉर इट।
हम्म।
लाइक जैसे मैंने
बिकॉज आप
अभी,
इंजीनियर हो।
yeah, I'm basically
ओके।
engineer, so what I do,
हम्म। ओके।
first I like watch plenty of videos of reviews and other ride experiences. Then I go to showroom, get that hands on that bike. I get the test ride, and once I feel that I can connect with this bike very well, then only I go for the purchase. Yeah, but sometimes the decision regarding like purchasing a bike, it also a financial thing I have to check. Like
Okay.
I might like BMW R 1300, but
Okay.
I can't buy it right now. So
Well, I think the practical answer to this is I actually you can buy it, but the thing is you believe in practicality
yeah,
rather than investing vaguely
yeah,
or getting overwhelmed with things
yes.
and everything. Okay, I get that. I sense that. Okay, कुछ ऐसा मोमेंट हुआ आपकी राइड में दैट हैव कंप्लीटली चेंज योर राइडिंग पैटर्न जैसे कि कुछ मान लीजिए कि कुछ इंसिडेंट्स या एक्सीडेंट वगैरह आई होप नहीं हुआ होगा बट इफ यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर हियर।
बाय गॉड ग्रेस अभी तक तो ऐसा कोई भी एक्सीडेंट या इंसिडेंस हुआ नहीं है जिससे मेरा राइडिंग पैटर्न चेंज हुआ हो। या बट इन पर्सनल फ्रंट फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 to 4 years I have been more cautious rider than being more aggressive rider. So this is not into biking, but this is due to my like personal life, which has changed my riding pattern. So you can
Okay.
say,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, let's move on with the next question. What's one motorcycle opinion you have that most riders completely disagree with?
The most riders disagree with. I think uh, this is
Let
a
me
trick.
portray. Let
This
me
is a
portray.
tricky
Let me
question.
portray an example.
Yeah.
Looking towards the current Indian road conditions, ठीक है? मान लीजिए कि I like Bobber,
Okay.
right? और Bobber लेने के बाद I have seen that there are potholes.
Yeah.
Bumps are above the क्या है कि illegal height से ऊपर भी होते हैं.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
रिफ्लेक्टर्स नहीं लगाते तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ है आपके साथ या तो फिर क्या है कि जब आप किसी को कोई बाइक रेकमेंड करते हो पर वो स्टबर्न होता है नहीं समझता वो डिसएग्री करता है तो उसके बारे में आपका क्या।
तो उसमें क्या होता है कि सबका अपना अपना एक प्रेफरेंस होता है बाइक को लेके, ठीक है। यू कांट चेंज द प्रेफरेंस। लाइक अगर आपने सोच लिया है कि नहीं मुझे तो एडवेंचर ही बाइक चाहिए,
अच्छा
अगर मैं आज आपको बोलूं कि नहीं एडवेंचर बाइक नहीं लेनी है, यू गो फॉर क्रूजर।
ओके
बट वंस यू हैव मेड योर माइंड फॉर एडवेंचर यू विल गो एंड डेफिनेटली बाय एन एडवेंचर।
मतलब वो इंसिडेंट से गई बेस पानी।
हाँ, गई भैंस पानी में।
ओके 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 so next question is again I think it's tricky for you
Yeah.
if tomorrow you had to sell your bike
Okay.
except one
Hmm.
which one would you keep and why so let's say you have two options
Yeah.
you own also if I'm not wrong you own Royal Enfield
Yeah.
Meteor 350 and NX 500
500.
so I think this one might be a hard take what would you like to say.
It's a very hard take. Like, Meteor was one bike which I like, which is very close to my heart.
Okay.
But if you are asking me to sell one bike, it will be Meteor.
Okay, Meteor
Yeah,
and not NX
not
for sure.
for sure.
But then I think you said that you are more into the emotional part, and then now after riding Honda, you know the true value of.
Yeah, the smoothness which I get from NX, it is way far better than Meteor, and
Okay.
the ride quality of NX is much better than.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the end of segment one. Let's move to quickly to the
Sure.
segment two. This is based on the agreement and disagreement part. So this might be also tricky. So don't then complain me कि भाई आप तो मेरे अच्छे राइडिंग बडी हो तो मेरे को ही फंसा दिया पर भाई
जरूर
वो ऐसा ही होता है कि वो ऐसा ही करना पड़ता है.
नहीं, वो तो जरूरी है ना कि कभी कभी दोस्त को दुविधा में डालो और
हाँ.
उसके मजे लो.
सही बात है, सही बात है. ठीक है, पर मैं आपको बहुत कम दुविधा में डालूंगा पर आज थोड़ा सहन कर लो भाई.
बिल्कुल,
ठीक है.
आपके लिए तो कुछ भी.
Okay. Let's move on with the segment two. Uh, most people don't need an adventure by motorcycle. Do you agree or not?
Yeah, yeah, agree.
Why?
So the thing is, if you are doing hardcore off-roading or you're doing long rides, then only you need adventure bike. Otherwise, a simple commuter bike can also like fulfill your day-to-day task which you are doing, or any basic 350cc cruiser bike.
Okay. Do you consider adventure motorcycle in the adventure tourer segment, or both are adventures, but both have different riding segments? What's the purpose?
Both are different riding segment. Like adventure tourer are basically road focused machines which are like not made for off-roading. You can do soft off-roading, but when we compare any adventure tourer like Kawasaki KLX 230, it is, or Xpulse 210, these are hardcore off-roader bikes or adventure bikes. So adventure tourer and adventure bikes both are different category.
So let's move ahead. ये भी थोड़ा मेरे को लगता है आपको थोड़ा controversial question है, but let's see. Bigger engine does not make you better rider. Is that true?
Yeah, it is true.
Okay.
So anyone who is having like, I know one of my friend, he is having 150cc bike, but he is one of the good rider. And I know some people who have more than 1000cc bike. But basically it comes from the experience. Like buying a big bike is not a problem right now in this country, but having that experience, how to handle that bike, that is one of the.
Okay. Okay. So let's move to the following questions.
Sure.
Half the bike modifications people do are just for Instagram. Is that true or not?
Ah, controversy. So what I feel is after Instagram, like this reels and everything, people are more into modification just to show.
So, matlab you prefer real or real wala scene?
Yeah.
Real or real wala?
It should be practical modification, not be impractical one. The thing which like go on daily life and which solves your problem, the modification
okay.
should be that much.
मेरे को आपको इसमें एक कनेक्टिंग क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है भाई. तो मान लीजिए आपका अकाउंट है, आपने तो कमा लिया, तो दूसरे को क्यों कमाना नहीं है? मतलब ये इंस्टाग्राम इज गिविंग व्यू, वी हैव द ऑडियंस, सो व्हाई नॉट? आई मीन
देखो, कमाने में किसी को मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट
you're focusing the more road legal side.
I am focusing more on safety side. Like
Okay.
the money you are investing on different like accessories or different gadgets, you should first invest on your safety gears like a good helmet, a good riding jacket, a riding boot. That is essential part of the riding. After investing in safety gears, you should go for accessorizing your bike. That is-
इससे गियर्स के बारे में आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वो है जो आपको अगेन कंट्रोवर्सी में डाल सकता है. आई गिव यू अ वेरी राइट मोमेंट पे डिस्क्लेमर दे रहा हूँ. expensive riding gear does not automatically make you a safe rider. Is that true or not?
सी एक्सपेंसिव राइडिंग गियर का आपके सेफ राइडर होने से कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
अच्छा।
अगर आप 120 की स्पीड लिमिट की रोड पे 150 160 चला रहे हो, सो यू आर नॉट सेफ राइडर फॉर योरसेल्फ एज वेल एज द फेलो राइडर्स और फेलो लाइक vehicle owners. So having expensive safety gear is one thing, but riding your bike into legal limits and into the safe zone, that is one other thing.
Okay.
You can spend 1 lakh or 2 lakh on the safety gear, but if you're not following rules,
Okay.
then there is no use of those.
So generally they have the tendency, अगर मैंने गियर पहने हुए हैं और if I do cruising or hyper cruising तो मेरे तो बच ही जाऊंगा, तो that is the biggest myth of the
Yeah,
rider.
that is the biggest myth. I have seen 1 or 2 videos on YouTube in which they were fully like fully geared up in the safety suits, but and they were riding at 100, 500, something 200 or 250 kmph speed, and suddenly they got into accident and they were like road पे ही खत्म हो गए.
Oh,
Safety gear,
road on the spot they
yeah.
died.
So that safety gear doesn't like they provide you safety, but until and unless you are into the limit.
Okay. Okay, ये क्वेश्चन में एक आपको अगर किसी का आपके राइडिंग बड़ी का किसी का नाम बताना हो, इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी, पर अगर नाम बताना हो तो बता सकते हो। तो ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा है कि मोस्ट राइडर्स स्पेंड मोर टाइम क्लीनिंग देयर बाइक देन एक्चुअली राइडिंग इट। ये फंस गए ना आप?
ये फंस गए। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता। वो डिपेंड करता है कि कौन अपनी बाइक को कितना साफ रखना चाहता है। बाकी बारिश के मौसम में तो मैंने कुछ लोगों को देखा है गाड़ियाँ स्टोर करके रख देते हैं, बाहर ही नहीं निकालते। जबकि बारिश का मौसम ही सबसे अच्छा आई थिंक राइडिंग सीजन।
ओके, और ये आपको किसी का नाम नहीं देना, राइट?
नहीं,
ओके।
आई वुड नॉट टेक एनी नेम्स हियर।
ओके, ओके, ठीक है। ओके, गुड। So you believe in going safe?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. Next question is: some motorcycles are famous because of marketing, not because they are actually great.
So I'm marketing guy. I make yeah sometimes.
By the way, hang on. By the way, मैं audience को.
So what I was saying, yeah.
Yeah.
So marketing plays a role into making making a perspective of a consumer that it is a good bike, but it may not be.
You know any brand who is doing this?
No, I will not take any name here.
Okay, okay. But
But you know,
yeah, even I know, but I just would like to say that what's in my thought or what's in my mind is the exact thing you have.
yeah, I had the same thing.
Okay, okay, let's move on. Buying a motorcycle on EMI just to impress people is one of the worst financial decisions you can make.
See, if you are liking any bike, you are enjoying having it, then buying it on EMI is not a bad financial decision. But if you are just buying it to show it off that you have that bike, that is one of the worst financial purchase you would ever have.
Okay, now the very interesting question: group rides are overrated?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay. Let's move ahead.
That depends, riding, like compatibility of the group.
Okay.
Sometimes, like some groups prefer riding at slow pace, but one person would be enjoying hyper cruising.
Okay.
So,
I know.
Yeah,
from
you know
where you
that.
are coming, but okay. Okay.
So sometimes it's good, but sometimes the preference might differ. Like you might like group rides or you might not.
Okay, well, with related to group rights, do you have generated any, terms of your own words? The person who rides zigzag or कुछ ऐसा.
I call them Nagin.
Okay, Nagins. Okay, interesting. Uh, okay, okay. Right. Let's move ahead. What's one motorcycle everyone loves, but you think it's completely overhyped?
Overhyped.
हाँ जी.
Yeah. They're pretty like very.
I believe you don't say KTM Duke.
No, I don't say KTM Duke, but
They are very capable machines.
they are very capable machine. But I think GT 650.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, just to the new audience, it's Royal Enfield GT650.
Yeah, it is Royal
Yeah.
Enfield.
Okay. All right, let's move ahead. Which motorcycle brand has the most toxic fan base?
You know the name.
Okay,
I would
don't
not
want
say.
to. Okay, you don't want to disclose the
Yeah.
brand name.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. The last question. Okay, is defend yourself before your comments to. मतलब ये podcast में जो भी comments आएगा,
Hmm.
I mean, people will tag
Okay.
if we get a view, good views. All right. Okay. Let's begin with the third section. So आपने स्कूल गए होंगे और fill in the blanks टाइप का आपने कुछ आया होगा आपके स्टडीज में, right? So
I really don't want to.
Okay. No, no, you need to do. You need to do.
Yeah,
अभी आप आ गए तो आप पढ़
Let's
गए
do
हो.
it.
Okay, तो ये जो section है वो complete the line है.
Okay.
Right? So these are some random questions you need to give as a thought. जैसे जो दिमाग में है, ठीक है?
बिल्कुल.
So the first is the day I truly become a rider. That day was the day.
That day was the day when I started enjoying long rides.
Okay, perfect. I knew motorcycle had become more than just a hobby then.
When I bought my first bike.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I mean, you're going good.
Yeah.
I don't seem it is going difficult for any angle or
Yes.
any way right now. Okay, the motorcycle industry doesn't want riders to realize that.
Buying a bike is easy task, but maintaining it is the tough one.
बहुत controversial जवाब दिया है भैया. Okay, if every biker was brutally honest, we would all admit.
Uh, we would all admit that uh,
Sometimes we ran over the red lights.
we ran over the red light, we break traffic rules, and many more things.
You're being too honest, man. Okay, let's move with the further questions. Okay, the one thing riders pretend to care about what actually don't.
Uh, the traffic rules.
Okay. The biggest flex in biking isn't owning 20 lakh motorcycle. It's
It's exploring new places with your existing bike.
existing man. Oh, I thought it would be with the riding buddies. Okay. So ride that changed me as a person was
The one I did from Anand to Pune with 5 riders. That was one of the
okay.
good ride, and I
Okay.
learned many things.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's not point fingers anyway.
Yeah.
The motorcycle everyone worship, but I never understood the hype around. Come on, come on.
Himalayan.
So this is very big. Fan will
They will really roast
will
me.
get offended, man.
Yeah.
Let's keep it very neutral. Okay. Let's move ahead. The one modifications that all show and almost no value is. I know this answer. What you're going to say? जो हर बार आप मेरे को भी ना बोलते हो modifications करने के लिए.
I think unnecessary giving load to your bike, any modification which added
But you need to name a specific modification over here.
uh, those yeah, the things which change the geometry of the bike, like changing handlebar or welding to your chassis. These kind of things we should avoid.
What about the custom exhausts?
No, I don't prefer them.
Okay. Thank God. Okay. The one riding habit I instantly judge people for is
When they start like riding crisscross, when they
Nagin wala sa.
try to become Nagin. If you are riding in a group, you should like stay at your own position. You should not cross the person who is riding ahead of you.
Okay, the biggest mistake most new riders make is
They think that riding is the easy part, but it is one of the responsible thing in the road.
okay. I think the comment section is going to hate me with your
They are
answers.
going to hate me.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, if I could relate one trend from today's biking culture for forever, it would be
Hmm. It would be the non-stop rides which people do for 1300 kilometer non-stop, 1800 kilometer non-stop. I think you're just chasing a number, but in the back of the mind, you're like ruining your own body.
so. Yeah, you mean to say is when you go for a long ride, you should ride in a way that you don't get exhausted.
Yeah, my preference is we should always give preference to our body and comfort of our body. We should not just chase a number because exhausting your body, it will hurt you in the long term. And if you want to ride for the long term, you should take care of your body.
Yeah, makes sense, sensible. Okay, one thing social media has completely ruined about riding is
Unnecessary accessorizing.
okay,
And
okay,
one thing is that
okay.
like everyone is more into show off than actual riding.
ओके ऐसा कौन सा राइडिंग लेसन है कि कोई भी यूट्यूब वीडियो आपको नहीं सिखा सकता
ऐसा कौन सा राइडिंग लेसन है? वो सबसे मेन है कि जो एक्सपीरियंस आप यूट्यूब चैनल को देख के मतलब आप समझ सकते हो, बट जब तक कि कोई भी एडवेंचर या कोई भी ट्रिक आप खुद अप्लाई नहीं करोगे, नो वन इज कैन टीच यू दैट. द
ओके
फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस यू गेट टू नो व्हेन यू ट्राई दैट थिंग. तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि यूट्यूब हर चीज सिखा सकता है, बट एक्सपीरियंस हर चीज सिखाता है.
ओके भी ये थोड़ा पर्सनलाइज है कि योर मोटरसाइकिल्स गेट्स अ वॉइस फॉर एग्जैक्टली 30 seconds व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग यू कंप्लेन अबाउट
सॉरी, कैन यू रिपीट?
ओके your motorcycle gets a voice for exactly 30 seconds
Okay.
what's the first thing it complains about
Okay, if my motorcycle can talk to me for 30 seconds, is it that kind of thing?
yeah you're on right
So
तो बाइक
definitely,
चला ले
no, definitely it will be भाई heart breaking मत किया कर.
okay let's move on. So, if your riding style came with a warning label, what would it say?
Stay away with me when I am riding.
Okay. Describe your riding philosophy, but you are not allowed to use words freedom, passion, adventure, etc.
Freedom, passion, adventure. This should not be used.
Hmm.
Uh, my riding philosophy is meditation. It is meditation for me.
Okay. If someone asks you, you know, uh, why you still ride, what would be your answer?
अभी तो चालू किया है, अभी तो बहुत लंबा जाना
Good one, man. Let's move to the segment four,
Sure.
which is basically on the garage talks.
Okay.
Yes, let's go ahead. Uh, hmm, the very first question is the roast and the confession. It's about roast and the confession. मेरे को लगता है अभी ये मैं फंसने वाला हूँ, but let's see. What's one riding habit of mine that makes you think ये बंदा कभी नहीं सुधरेगा?
Uh, when you ride at one more than 150 kmph
Hmm.
and I have to chase you, my internal angel says, भाई छोड़ दे इसको जाने दे.
ये मतलब ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट है कि बेइज्जती है मेरे को नहीं पता पर थैंक यू वेरी मच लेट्स मूव अहेड व्हाट्स वन थिंग यू डू ऑन एवरी राइड दैट ड्राइव्स मी क्रेजी मतलब वो मेरा मानना है तो ऐसा तो कोई मेरे को आप परेशानी नहीं दिए हो बट जैसे कि समटाइम्स व्हेन आई नीड टू चेज यू तो कभी कभी आई नो यू आर अ बिजी पर्सन तो कभी कभी सी मतलब हमारा इंटरकॉम जो होता है वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो
हाँ.
जाता है ड्यू टू सम रीजन माइट बी कॉल और मेरे को लगता है कि ये किधर गया ये वैनिश हो गया या तो फिर वो डिसअपियर हो गया तो ये बाकी तो आई like we say we ride I love that riding patterns and we I think we got a complete
Yeah.
sync that's why we are enjoying. Okay, let's move ahead. What's one thing you have never admitted on camera about riding?
Uh, what I think is nowadays riding is more for, like, people are more for social media thing, but they are not truly enjoying it to their fullest. But what I think is it should be not to show off, but it should be for your own.
तो ये चीज अपने पहले कभी बताने का मौका किया ट्राई किया मौका दिया गया है
नहीं, आई
आपको
डोंट थिंक कि ऐसा कभी, मतलब मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि पब्लिकली इस चीज को मुझे बोलना चाहिए, बट आपने पूछा तो मैंने बोल दिया है.
ओके ओके लेट्स मूव अहेड ये कुछ है हिल्स स्लैंट्स और स्लोप्स में रियलिटी चेक के आधारित क्वेश्चंस है
हाँ.
What's one motorcycle opinion you will defend even if the entire comment sections disagree with you?
Uh,
कौन सा
मतलब
ओपिनियन हाँ आपका कौन सा ओपिनियन रहेगा मतलब कमेंट सेक्शन अगर कुछ बोलेंगे कि लेट्स से इंजन ब्रेकिंग के बारे में राइट एक सेगमेंट है
ठीक है.
तो वो कौन सा सेगमेंट होगा जो आप डिफेंड करेंगे कमेंट सेक्शन में जो कमेंट होगी या पीपल का व्यू
Like we are giving negative comment and I should.
no. Sorry. No, no. ऐसा नहीं. You need to defend. I mean, if you are defending, I'm in favor of engine braking.
Okay.
You are defending. You are not in favor of engine braking. तो
Okay.
ऐसा कौन सा ओपिनियन है मोटरसाइकिल राइडिंग के आधारित जो आपको डिफेंड करना है या आप जल्दी से डिसएग्री करते हो इस चीज पे
मैंने पहले भी आपको बोला है कि जो एक कमेंट सेक्शन में लोग क्या आपको बहुत ज्यादा कई बार बोलते हैं कि डू द लॉन्ग राइड डू 1300 किलोमीटर इन
Okay.
सो आई जस्ट वांट टू डिफेंड दैट थिंग कि वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay.
इट शुड टोटली बी
Okay.
एट योर कंफर्ट.
Okay. So, what's the biggest reality check riding has given you?
माय फोकस इज वेरी बैड.
I think you are being too honest, man. But the important part is you have the self-realization.
Yeah.
That's a very
And
good quality of yours.
riding has actually helped me to improve my focus on the road. Like, when you are riding, you have to be very focused on the road because you know Indian roads are very dangerous. So with that experience, now I am implementing it in my personal and professional life, and I'm like
Okay.
गेटिंग मतलब मुझे इससे बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प मिल रही है.
When did you realize that owning a motorcycle is the easiest part?
When I had my money.
साला 350 के बाद NX 500 भी ले लिया आपने. सही है. Has that changed the way you ride today?
Yeah, I like when I was having 350, I was more into cautious part. Like I was having cruiser, so थोड़ा ऑफ रोड जाने में मैं हिचकिचाता था. But after having NX, I'm more into like fast riding, and I take sometimes I take risk with that bike.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
the change which I feel.
All right. Okay. Okay. Let's move ahead. This is based upon the myth and the regrets.
Okay.
जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी एग्जांपल दिया था, कुछ लोग मोटरसाइकिल लुक्स के हिसाब से ले लेते हैं, then they regret कि
Yeah.
भाई Indian roads are not meant for those type of motorcycles. Okay. What's one riding myth you completely stop believing?
Higher CC bikes are good.
Okay. Any strong take on that?
Any strong take on that? I think as per Indian condition, what I feel is maximum 800 cc bike is a very much comfortable bike which you can have, and you can easily cruise on that. But as you move ahead in the CC, you definitely get the power, but we don't have such kind of road to use that power.
Okay.
So being practical way of thinking, I think 800 cc is the maximum power which is practical for Indian roads.
ओके. इफ आपके पास कोई पावर हो कि ये चीज आप अंडू कर सको, ठीक है, राइडिंग डिसीजन को लेके, तो वो क्या होगी?
राइडिंग डिसीजन को लेके फॉर मेरा या
आपका आपका
अ, ये सोचने वाली बात है. अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ आया नहीं है.
let me give you some hints कि when we say कि सैडलिंग हो गया, ठीक है, मान लीजिए कि सैडलिंग से आगे मोटोक्रॉस में जाए तो मोटोक्रॉस में नहीं होता, पर लेट्स से व्हीली स्टॉपी हो गया, जैसे कि मान लीजिए कि पीपल से सैडल करते हुए का बॉडी एग्जॉस्ट कम होता है, तो कुछ ऐसा आपको राइडिंग डिसीजन के बारे में आपको कुछ चेंज करना हो तो?
हाँ, आई थिंक अगर कुछ चेंज करना होगा ना, तो वो मैं एक चीज ये चेंज करना चाहूंगा कि जो हम कभी-कभी क्या है कि ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होके जहाँ हमें नहीं हाइपर क्रूज़ करना चाहिए, जहाँ हमें ज़्यादा स्पीड नहीं चलानी चाहिए, हम वहाँ भी चलाते हैं.
ओके.
तो
और उससे आपने क्या सीखा है?
डेफिनेटली मतलब इसमें 2 चीज़ें हैं. इट इन्वॉल्व्स अ रिस्क ऑफ माय ओन, लाइक जान और माल की हानि हो सकती है, और सामने वाले को भी इससे दिक्कत होती है.
Okay, let's move on. What's one side of motorcycle life that almost nobody talks about?
ऑन कैमरा अगर आप देखोगे तो यू ओनली सी परफेक्ट पिक्चर, परफेक्ट वीडियोस, बट जो स्ट्रगल उस वीडियो को बनाने के लिए लगा, लाइक अ पर्सन हैज टू, लाइक जो राइड वो आराम से बिना वीडियो बनाए 4 घंटे में कंप्लीट कर सकता था, वो राइड उसको कंप्लीट करने में मिनिमम 6 से 7 घंटे, क्योंकि वो हर एक स्पॉट पर रुका, उसने कैमरा सेटअप किया, उसने परफेक्ट शॉट लिया, फिर वापस से सारा सेटअप वाइंड अप किया, फिर आगे बढ़ा. सो ये एक है. सेकंड थिंग, people see कि riding is only commuting from one place to other place. But riding is not just that thing. It is, as I say, my riding philosophy is meditation. So it also a thing that it connects a person to it, when you are riding, you can like have n number of thoughts coming to your mind, and you can have like you can get the analytical thinking also during riding. So I think
Because I can agree कि आपका state of mind conscious, right?
yeah, the
Yeah.
mind is focused, so it helps.
Okay. Okay. What's something every serious rider eventually experience?
One or the other day, he should he has to like quit riding due to some or other reason.
So let's begin this segment. It's about the crossroads.
Okay.
What? Okay. What was your first spark
Okay.
जिससे आप मोटरसाइकिल से प्यार कर बैठे?
हाँ हाँ. So the thing is, मेरे एक भैया थे. He used to ride Eliminator, and I generally go with him as a pillion. So uh, at that time, I was around I think 10 or 12 year old. So that like at that moment, उसने मुझे बाइक से प्रेम करना
सिखाया
सिखा दिया.
और उस जो इंसिडेंस हुआ उससे आप मोटरसाइकिल राइडिंग और मोटरसाइकिल को कुछ अलग नजरिए से देखने लगे हो?
Yeah, that thing helped me a lot in falling in love with motorcycle. Apart from this, recently, जैसे when I was growing up, some YouTube videos and then some influencers. So वो जब लॉन्ग राइड्स कर रहे होते थे तो आई वाज लाइक यार इनकी कितनी अच्छी लाइफ है, जब देखो जब मन किया बाइक उठाई और निकल गए, काश हम भी ऐसा कर पाते.
Well,
So yeah,
let me tell you, the grass is greener on the
other
side.
side, yeah.
Okay, okay, let's move ahead. What made that motorcycle so special? Which emotions?
Yeah, the thing is, we it had some raw memories which I still have. So that is why that motorcycle is still near to my heart.
Okay. This section is about dream versus reality. When did riding stop being just riding about motorcycles and becoming something much bigger for you? राइडिंग से भी कुछ मतलब और मोटरसाइकिल राइड करना
जो ये आई थिंक 2021 2022 का टाइम होगा. There was a huge change in my life.
Okay.
So at that time, motorcycle was the thing. Riding was the thing which helped me cope up with, from that part of my life. So that was the moment I actually.
ऐसी कौन सी राइडिंग लेसन आपको बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हुई?
हाँ, वैसे तो बहुत सारे चीजें हैं जो मैंने रिसेंट पास्ट में सीखी हैं. बट एक चीज है कि riding taught me about the teamwork, taking care of fellow riders, and how not to behave in the road.
ओके
Yeah.
ओके ओके मेक सेंस कभी आपको ब्रेक डाउन हुआ है?
Fortunately, अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है.
Okay. All right. So now this is most interesting question. अभी का जो question है that is most interesting.
हाँ.
So can you guess this machine over here?
So I think this is engine of Harley Davidson. It is
That's a good guess. Yeah.
900 cc V twin. But
Oh, okay.
I think I can't exactly name the bike of
Okay.
which किस बाइक का इंजन है वो मैं एग्जैक्टली अभी
Okay. So
नहीं बता पाऊँ.
so you consider this as a legendary or
Obviously.
okay. तो ये चीज डायरेक्टली हुए थे. डू यू थिंक कि E20 के आने के बाद ये लेजेंड्स पैदा फिर से होंगे और वी कैन प्रिजर्व ये स्टोर रिस्टोर कर पाएंगे या तो रख पाएंगे अच्छी तरीके से? व्हाट्स व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट E20?
So I think going green is a good initiative, but forcing it to the public without their consent, it is not a good way. Like I also own like bike which is pre 2022. Right now I own Honda NX 500. It is, though it is 2025 bike, but it is still not compatible with E20 fuel. So I have been forced to either I should go for XP100, that is around 170 rupees per liter fuel. But that is fine. If my bike runs well in that fuel, I will definitely purchase that one. But definitely we should have like option to like buy a better fuel for us, because I think India is not a dictatorship that the government decide you have to do this only.
Okay.
But yeah, as a consumer, I think we should be given choices.
Okay, so इससे ही आपको मेरे को एक further question है. What do you think that does the E20 engines are capable enough to compete with the mono CC engines?
Uh, so that is basically monofuel engine and then
Yeah.
flex fuel engine.
Yeah.
So the flex fuel engine are those engine which can change their ECU mapping as per the fuel which is into the fuel tank. But as you know, the energy density of ethanol is very much less than the petrol. So when you there is one thing, the burning which like the energy, if the energy density is less, the consumption of fuel will be higher on the enough like fuel bike when compared to petrol bike. Okay. The second thing is, though power figure might not match, but to generate equivalent power with at par to the petrol, it will need more ethanol. So anyways, uh, if you are saving money on fuel, but for covering 100 kilometer you are spending more money on refueling. Like for for an example, if 1 liter petrol can drive you to 120 kilometer, a E20 fuel might drive you only to 120 or 105, 100 or 105 kilometer.
So basically, let me get you straight here. So basically, you mean to say if I want to go 120 at 0 to something seconds, I need to burn more fuel if I'm driving E20.
Yeah, you have to burn more fuel.
Oh, that's terrible. Okay, okay, let's move on. Let's move on. The one the one ride. I mean the one ride which is so memorable. Okay, so if you could have one final ride on any motorcycle in the world, which motorcycle would you choose?
I would choose BMW R1300 GS.
और आप कहाँ जाओगे उससे?
It would be a world tour.
ओके ओके और कौन से किस राइडिंग बडी को लेके जाओगे?
Definitely you.
That what audience can predict it. That was very predictable. But anyways, let's move on. ये थोड़ा hypothetical example दे रहा हूँ मैं कि if you are the boss or the CEO of any your favorite motorcycle company, let's say BMW India.
Okay.
तो आज बॉस बना हो तो कल से what would the first thing you would change? जैसे कि better brakes, better service, E20 of course, or pricing, dealership, etc.
I think as for CEO of BMW, I would not change anything because my bikes are perfect. My services are at par with any other brand, and we make very good bikes.
But yeah, you don't give a fuck about the gender.
Yeah.
Okay, got it, man. Got it. Okay. Okay. So this is this one might be about the legacy, right? Let's say again a hypothetical example. Forget YouTube, forget Instagram, Forget your subscriber. Okay. Years from now, what you hope people remember about you, not as a creator, but simply as a rider.
I think the people should remember for the honest opinion which I have for riding
Okay.
and the culture which we promote for the riding. That's
Okay.
it.
And this question is about fear and action.
Okay.
What was the moment that reminded you कि you are not invisible? मतलब आपका
Just near miss during my one of the previous ride.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
that-
You were too close to the
yeah,
object.
yeah.
Okay. Uh, उसमें ही अगर which ride change something inside you?
I think the ride which I did from like the ride which I did from uh, Allahabad to Anand, that was the one ride which changed something inside me. That created a new, given me a new experience and created a new character.
Okay.
Wow.
तो कोई भी ऐसी राइड है तो आपको लगता है वो अनफिनिश्ड है, इनकम्प्लीट है?
Yeah, still we have some ride which like it is unfinished. Like I want to do one ride to from east to west to east part of India. So that one ride I would like to do.
Okay. Let's talk about the quality. What's one quality you have today because of the road?
I am more patient and more focused right now.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Makes sense. So now let's begin with the very interesting segment,
Sure.
which is rapid fire.
Okay.
So you need to quick answer this within 2 seconds.
Understood.
Royal Enfield or Honda?
Honda.
Mountains or coastline?
Sorry.
Mountains or coastline?
Coastal areas. Coastal areas.
Yeah.
Coastal areas.
Coastal areas. Sunrise or midnight ride?
Sunrise.
Okay. Solo or group?
Mostly it should be solo or just two people.
Duo.
Yeah.
Ride fast or ride far?
Ride far.
Okay. One motorcycle completely overrated.
Ah. Totally overrated. I already answered it a few minutes back. That is GT 650 twin.
Okay. And one more motorcycle which is criminally underrated.
Criminally underrated. Oh.
RX 100.
That is OG. I think it comes from what do you say? Can't remember it. The Versus 650 is one bike which is really good, but it is still underrated.
Okay. Any modification suggestion every rider should do?
They should get good fog light and a navigation system.
Okay. Perfect. All right. Now it's into the finish the sentence in one line.
Okay.
A real rider always,
Be cautious in the road.
yeah, never trust a rider
Who overspeeds or
Okay.
doesn't follow traffic rules.
every rider should experience once in their bike ride.
A breakdown which we can sell
जो नानी याद दिला दो.
हाँ लाइक जो नानी याद दिला दे और उसके बाद वो उसको खुद ठीक करके आगे बढ़े.
What is more addictive, buying a motorcycle or modifying it?
Modifying it.
All right. Thanks for coming here for
Thank-
interactive podcast.
Thank you for calling me.
Yeah. Once again, I would like to thank Cindy Cruz to make this podcast happen. And the Indie Cruisers, I would like to say the Indie Cruisers are the garage who are having very potential mechanics. Anyone who are seeking the bike services, and those who are in Gujarat and near Ahmedabad, they can contact Indie Cruisers. Thank you.